The rupee is the lifeblood of this vibrant economy, changing hands countless times a day. The exchange rate data here confirms our projections for the quarter. Yes, stability is holding steady despite the recent fluctuations.
Check the manifest again. Everything is clear, sir. Move the cotton bales to section 4. Carefully now. Yes, boss. All right, the paperwork seemed to be in order. 20 bales confirmed. We'll start unloading immediately.
Have you ever stopped and looked closely at a banknote in your wallet? It passes through your hands every day. You use it to buy food, pay bills, and support your family. But have you ever wondered where that piece of money actually comes from? What if I told you that before a Sri Lankan rupee reaches someone's pocket, it travels through one of the most secure and fascinating manufacturing processes in the country? Our journey begins in Colombo, the capital city and financial heart of Sri Lanka, where the Central Bank of Sri Lanka was established in 1950.
We are moving the
Every
indigo
day,
batch now.
this institution carries the enormous responsibility of protecting the nation's currency. But how do they create money that millions of people trust? And what makes a simple banknote valuable? Inside the currency production department, every banknote begins as an idea. Designers carefully create artwork inspired by Sri Lanka's culture, history, wildlife, architecture, natural beauty. Every line, every color, and every symbol is chosen with purpose. But have you ever wondered why some banknotes feel different?
The purple is close, but it still needs a precise match to the reference. Let's add a bit more pigment to the green batch as well. Very good. This lot is approved for printing. We need to prioritize the 5,000 rupee notes first. Understood. Ensuring the plates are correctly installed now.
Specialized pigments are carefully measured, mixed, and tested until they meet exact standards. Every color must be perfect, because even the smallest variation can affect the final product. Have you ever noticed how every denomination has its own unique color? That's not just for appearance. It helps people instantly recognize the value of the note in their hands. Now, the printing begins. Large traditional printing machines slowly transform blank sheets into recognizable currency. The RS-20 note appears in a distinct reddish tone, the RS-50 note in blue, the RS-100 note in orange, the RS-500 note in purple, and the RS-1000 note in green. Each denomination is printed separately to maintain the highest level of accuracy. But did you know that the size of each note is also different? The RS-20 note measures approximately 128mm by 67mm. The RS-50 note is slightly longer at 133mm. The RS-100 note measures 138mm. The RS-500 note measures 143mm. And the RS-1000 note stretches to about 148mm in length. Why do you think the notes become larger as their value increases? The answer is simple. It helps people identify them quickly, even without looking closely. As the notes move through the production line, sophisticated security features are added.
Ensure the alignment is perfect on this batch. The serial numbers must be precise.
Yes, madam, I'm checking the registration marks now.
Imagine the challenge of creating money
The alignment
that
on
must
the
be
fifth
trusted by
sheet seems
millions.
slightly
We'll
off.
also
All right, let me check the specifications again before we proceed.
Did you verify the serial numbers on the last run?
Yes, they are accurate according to the log.
Did you verify the serial numbers on the last run?
Yes, they are accurate according to the log.
Are these sequences matching the documentation?
Yes, they align precisely with the standards.